Hey sweethearts, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Want a quick college girl look? Stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get this done. Our subscriber of the week is, and I thank you. Alright sweethearts, let's just get right into it. My hair is washed, conditioned, and stretched. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. All the products that I'm using have been promoting my hair growth. You guys, my hair has been through a lot. It might be time for a trim as well. Remember, trims are good for your hair, so don't be afraid to do that. With this hairstyle, you're going to make sure you're oiling and greasing up your scalp. You guys, your hair is going to be locked in because of the crochet in the back, and it's going to be braided in the front. So you just want to make sure you're greasing and oiling your scalp so nobody can see any of the dry patches or dandruff. The hair that I'm going to be using for the front is just some hair that I have in the back, like in a bag or whatever. I'll always have a lot of extra hair laying around, so just grab some braiding hair just to get you started with the front. I am going to be using some braid gel just for an extra boost. It actually makes it nice and neat. It makes it look, it helps with the flyaways, and it makes your parts look great too. So you guys check out some good braid gel. I actually like this Black Panther braid gel. It's going to be listed down below. I know cornrows are kind of hard to do, so let's just start off with a small amount of your hair, and then add a tiny piece of the braiding hair, and you're going to put that in between your thumb and your pointed finger, and you're going to just braid regularly, but you're going to braid together, like really close, which is going to give you that tight and that togetherness, and it's going to keep everything all together, and it's not going to come apart. You guys, just make sure you're being consistent and don't braid too tight. Why? This is the front of your hair. These are your edges, so please be careful when you're braiding. To each part in the front, we're just going to braid down as low as we can past our natural hair, because when we bring all of the braids together, we're going to take down some of the hair on the ends, if you know what I'm saying. So when you're braiding, you guys, please be careful not to braid too tight. These are your edges. I always stress this because I want you to have your edges. Your edges matter. They are beautiful and they are you, okay? So be careful on your edges. When you're adding your hair, make sure you're adding it between your thumb and your pointed finger, and you're just going to braid regularly. You guys, be comfortable with this. Okay, braiding your natural hair in the back. What I mean by natural, I mean we're not going to add anything. We're just going to braid our hair in the back. We're going to braid it all the way down. And we're going to braid it nice and tight. The way that, to me, crochet braids, they really grow your hair out, because we're braiding our natural hair underneath, and then we're just putting hair on the top of it. So throughout this hairstyle, your hair is growing, and it's growing well. So you guys, I really recommend getting crochet braids if you want your hair to grow. So instead of using bobby pins and needle and thread, we're going to put the hair up and we're going to add it to the second braid. This is the easiest way. This is the best way to tie all of your hair together, all your braids together when you are doing crochet. Instead of adding bobby pins and hooks and stuff like that, that's just getting in the way of your hair. So this is the easiest way to put your braids up in the back for crochet. Now the hair that I'm using, I'm going to say Rasta-free. I can never figure out what is it saying, but this is the hair by Bahama Curl. I got 1B. You guys, this is the best hair for everything. You can go swimming in this hair. This hair doesn't shed. It doesn't kink up. I love this hair. This is one of my favorites. There's so many colors. So you guys don't forget to check it out down below. It's at your local beauty supply store. It's everywhere. Okay, Okay, starting this crochet off, you're just going to put the needle through. You're going to put the hair through the needle. Close the hook up. You're going to pull the hair through. Then, since this is the back, it's not the front, we're just going to wrap it around one time and then pull it through. That is all we need to secure the hair in the back. Remember, when you're crocheting, try to get as low as possible, all the way to the kinks, to the back of your neck, so the hair can lay, so it can lay like naturally. So you want, it to lay at the very base of your hair, because if it's too high up, then, it just doesn't look right. So make sure it's at the very base. Hey loves, if you haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button and join the family. Okay loves, here we are doing the invisible knot, which I recommend for in the front of your hair. Okay, with invisible knot, it's just like the regular. You're going to put your needle through, you're going to pull it through, you're going to grab one piece of the hair and you're going to tie a knot to only one side, if you know what I'm saying. I'll link a video for you down below just so you can see it closely as well. Okay, sweethearts, as far as shaping and clipping and cutting, to be honest, you really don't have to do that much with this hair. This hair is a natural curl. It naturally shapes itself towards your face. So I think you should just cut just a little bit just to shape it up. But other than that, I think it's natural. So do what's best works for you, sweethearts. Okay, my black edge control. This is the only one I've been using because it doesn't flake up, it doesn't turn white, and it works great for me. You guys, I'm gonna link it in the description box below. Check it out and you tell me what you think, but I think this is the best. This is the best there is. This is the best we're gonna get. Don't forget to check it out down below. And these are the finished results, my loves. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for showing your love. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.